Welcome to this module titled Introduction to Sensors. The main objectives of this module are to know what are sensors, to know few applications of sensors, to know Ichigo Jam's ports for connecting our sensors. I hope you will enjoy learning this module. What are sensors? Sensors are devices that detect and respond to some type of input from the physical environment. The specific input could be light, heat, motion, moisture, pressure, and so on. These sensors normally output signal which connected to Ichigo Jam. In our case, we will be familiar with the following sensors: light sensor and the temperature sensor. Sensors have a lot of applications. Here are some of the few applications done by sensors. Temperature sensors. They sense variation in temperature and can be applicable in switching on and off air conditioner, fridges and fans, overheat detections, to detect temperatures of hot air balloon, and so on. Light sensors. They sense light intensity and can be applicable in switching on and off road lights, brightness control of our cell phones, in agriculture for controlling light in crops, etc. Ichigo Jam contains several ports. In case of connecting our sensors, we will use the following ports. Input signal ports. For input signal, you can use input 1, 2, 3, and 4. Output signal ports. For output signal, you can use output 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, and out 6. Ground ports. For ground or negative signal, use GND ports. Power VCC positive ports. VCC stands for voltage common collector, normally used to power our sensors. In Ichigo Jam, the voltage of VCC is 3.3 volts and it is positive voltage. VO, voltage output. Output signal from a sensor. Normally, VO wire connect to input of Ichigo Jam. We have already reached the end of this module. In this module, we learned about what are sensors, ports of Ichigo Jam, and some applications of sensors. I hope you enjoyed learning this module.